In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import contacts on Brevo. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Brevo account and you are on the main dashboard. Importing contacts is done from the CRM area, since that is where Brevo stores and manages your contact database for email, automation, and segmentation. On the left sidebar, click CRM. This opens the CRM section and gives you access to contact-related tools. Next, select Contacts. You should now see your contact list view along with options for managing and adding contacts. From this Contacts page, click Import Contacts. This starts Brevo's import workflow, which guides you through adding a batch of contacts at once. When the import options appear, select Upload a File. This option is used when your contacts are stored in a spreadsheet, such as a CSV or an Excel file. Now drop your CSV or Excel file into the upload area. You can usually drag and drop the file, or click the area to browse and select the file from your computer. As a quick tip, it helps if your spreadsheet has clear column headers like email address, first name, and last name, because Brevo uses those headers during the mapping step. Once your file is uploaded, click Confirm your file. Brevo will read your spreadsheet and prepare the data for the next screen. After that, you will be taken to the mapping stage, where Brevo matches each column from your file to the correct contact attribute in Brevo. When you are ready, click Confirm Mapping. This tells Brevo that the fields are aligned correctly, so contacts will import with the right information in the right places. Take a moment before confirming to ensure key fields, especially the email address column, are mapped properly, since that is typically the main identifier for a contact. Finally, select a list where you want these new contacts to be added. Then click Confirm your import. Choosing the right list is important because it helps you organize contacts and target them later with campaigns or automations. After you confirm, Brevo will begin importing your contacts. Once it finishes, you will be able to view them in your contacts section under the list you selected. That covers everything you need to know.